Hi and Assalamualaikum. So today we will show you our video presentation about our entrepreneur project, which is Smart Heating Fan. So our group consists of 5 members, which is me, Zulaika, Diana, Basuha and also Mariam. So as you can see in the provided video, a smart heating fan is a modern kitchen device that utilizes sensor and precise control mechanism for improved cooking. It can regulate temperature, distribute heat evenly, and even rotate or stir automatically in some model. But have you ever realized that thermodynamics have been applied in the fan? First, let's take a look at thermophysics connection. Most of smart fans are able to control and distribute heat effectively. This can be explained by using specific heat capacity formula, which is Q is equals to MC delta T. Q represents to heat energy absorbed, M is equals to mass of the fan or fluid, C is equals to specific heat capacity, and delta T is equals to change in temperature. This formula helps in understanding how much heat energy is needed to raise the temperature of the fans. We move to the rotational mechanics connection. As you can see in the provided video, some smart fans rotate automatically or are placed on rotating heating bases like self-steering or motorizing rotation. To describe how rotation works, we can relate this to the torque equation, which is torque is equals to I times with alpha. T is equals to torque, and I represent to the moment of inertia, and alpha is equals to angular acceleration. The designer used this concept in smart fan to explain the force needed to start or stop the rotation of the fan and to ensure the fan rotates smoothly and efficiently.
From the perspective of thermophysics, there are several keys needs that will meet. Firstly, the fan must support faster heating and greater energy efficiency. This is achieved by selecting a base material with low specific heat capacity. For instance, aluminum heats up quickly while using less energy, allowing for rapid temperature increase and better energy conversions. Secondly, the fans offer stable temperature control supported by a built-in heat sensor. This sensor maintains the optimal cooking temperature, preventing overheating and improving overall cooking safety. Additionally, the fan enables efficient heat transfer. Following the principle of thermal conduction, this ensures even heat distribution across the entire base of the pan, minimizing the risk of uneven cooking and localized burning. From the perspective of rotational mechanism, the pan is equipped with a rotating motor that provides sufficient torque to start and maintain rotation even when the pan is filled with heavy ingredient. Higher torque enables smooth and consistent spinning without mechanical failure. To enhance rotational performance, a stable axis of rotation ensuring smooth rotation around fixed axis. This stability improves mixing efficiency and prevent unnecessary wobbling. Finally, the pan has a low moment of inertia. Due to its lightweight edge design, this reduces the amount of torque needed for movement, lower energy use, and make tasks like flipping or steering much easier. As a result, this leads to more efficient system with less strain on the motor. So, who can it specifically? A busy home cook, especially working parents who require automated steering system to multitask while preparing meals. This allows them to manage cooking more efficiently after a long day at work. Next, this product support elderly or disabled individuals. Manual steering can place strain at the hand and finger, particularly for seniors with arthritis or limited mobility. By automating this process, the pan helps reduce physical effort and promotes inclusivity in cooking. Finally, meal preparation companies such as HelloFresh and Blue Apron rely on consistent large batch cooking in their test kitchen. This fan ensures uniform and reliable mixing, supporting quality control and improving efficiency on a large scale.
How often do people experience this problem? So first, we have uneven heating. This happens when part of the food burns while the other remains undercooked, which not only affect the quality of the meat but can also lead to food safety issues. Okay, second, there's the challenge of temperature control. Many home cooks find themselves constantly adjusting the heat just to maintain the right temperature, and even then, it's not always reliable. So for the last, we have safety concern. Overheating, accidentally fire, or separately forget to turn off the stove are risks that happen more often than we like to admit. So when do these issues happen? These issues happen very often because these are everyday struggle for anyone who cooks at home, whether they are beginner or experienced. It's clear that these problems are widespread and recurring.
Smart fan has some problem for users. Smart fan are made to help with the cooking, but they also have some issue. First, technical problem. Sometimes the sensors or heaters in the fan doesn't work properly. This can cause the food to cook unevenly. Some parts get overcooked and other parts are undercooked. Also, smart fan are often need to connect to an app using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, but the connection doesn't always work. If it fails, the smart features can be used. Second, they are expensive. Smart pen cost more than normal pens, but many users feel the high price isn't worth. Some smart pen even break after a short time, so people feel like they wasted their money. And lastly, cleaning is hard. Smart pen have electronic parts that cannot get wet. If water goes inside, the pen may stop working. So users have to clean them carefully, which take more time and effort.
Let me explain a bit on what will happen if that need is not met. First is food wasting. When the pan doesn't control temperature well, food can burn or overcook easily. This makes the food inedible and leads to food waste. Second, risk of safety for users. Overheating may cause fire accidents in our kitchen while cooking. Also, if heat is not distributed evenly, some parts of the food may be undercooked, which can lead to food poisoning. Lastly, poor market response. This is because when the pan has so many weaknesses, customers will be very disappointed and lead to negative reviews and poor sales in the market.
Okay, for my unique approach to meeting this need is, first, our solution is designed for user-friendly with simple controls and easy cleaning. It's designed for everyone, from beginners to experienced homeschoolers. Second, we are adding an auto shut-off feature. This helps prevent overcooking and significantly reduce the risk of accidents if a pan is accidentally left unattended. Third, we plan to integrate smart temperature sensors that monitor heat level in real time. This gives users better control and reduce the need constantly adjust the stove. Finally, the system will emit an audible alert to remind users to turn off the stove, acting as a safety backup in case they forgot. Together, this feature offers a practical and modern solution to everyday kitchen challenges.
Okay, solution to smart pen problem. First, improve the hardware. So you have to use the stronger heat-resistant material to make the pan more durable and prevent overheating. Also, better heating system can help cook food more evenly, improving the cooking experience. Second, reduce the cost of the smart pen should be more affordable. So one way is to offer simpler version with only the most important features. Not all users need the advanced function. So providing a warranty or money-back guarantee can also build trust and make users feel safer when buying. Third, make cleaning easier design. So the pen should be safer and easier to clean. Use water-resistant or sealed electronic parts to protect them. The surface should be easier to wipe and clear cleaning instructions should be included to help users avoid damaging the pen.
Now I will talk about common technical issues to have. First, rusting. Other steel pans can rust easily if not dried properly after washing. The rusting process is even faster if the pan is stored in a humid place. Next, peeling off non-stick coating. Over time, the non-stick layer might peel off. The flakes can mix with food, which is very dangerous for users. If this happens in a long time, it can affect our internal organs such as liver and kidney. Lastly, pan might be not easy to clean. It becomes hard to clean when food burns or sticks to the pan. This will be so frustrating and time-consuming for users.